Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to explore another awesome crate called Figlet. And if you ever wanted to display a cool ASCII art in your terminal, or you want a big fancy fonts that made up of symbols, then Figlet is perfect for you. Also, let's say you have the terminal application and there is a title involved at the top right, and you want to display it in a bigger font. So for the bigger fonts, not just to look it cool, but for if you need a bigger fonts, for that you have to use the Figlet grid. And so let's start, and I think by doing example, the things will be much clearer. So first thing we need to do is check the dependency. There is no Figlet in dependency added. We need to add it. And the dependencies gets added. Figlet-rs, the version is 0.1.5, and now we can so the first thing we need to is load the standard font. For that we can say that, and the font will be, we have imported the fig font, and there is a standard function. We need to unwrap it. Okay, so now the standard fonts gets loaded. So the next thing which we need to is we need that some kind of a text which we are going to convert it to figure. So for that we will be using the standard, and there is a convert function, yeah, and the text will be, the number is defined, and we will, you can easily print that. And let me check this. Okay, so this convert, oh yeah, this convert will return the option, so we need to unwrap it as well. And let's just test this. Okay, so it's looking perfectly fine. Look at that, hello Rust, and it's made up of a symbol. Okay, and there's another function. You can load the custom fonts from the file, and you have, for that we need the fonts. For that I have already downloaded the font which we need to place to root of our project. Okay, so I will paste it here, and let me exit it, and you can see this slant.flf font. This is a custom Figlet fonts added, and you can easily use that as well. And let's say there are multiple fonts involved, so for that we don't want to repeat our code. We will, I think the best way to define is the create a separate function, and these things will be common. And let me grab that and paste it here. What we need to do now. Okay, so we have loaded the standard font. We will be showing both, and the other is the slant. And so this time we will be using the function called from file, file name is the slant.flf, and by the way, the extension for the Figlet fonts is .flf. Okay, and keep in your mind, and let's call the load font. And first time we will be loaded used for the standard, and the second time we will be calling it for the slant, and we have to call the unwrap as well for that. Okay, and for that this function will the arguments will be fig font, and yeah, I think we are good to go now, so we can easily see it. So let's, I think, first run it. Now check this out. So first one is the standard font, and the other one is the custom font which we have downloaded, and there are many FLF files available. You can easily download and test it, and you can easily see how cool it's looking. And so that's it for now, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will attach the link to the create in the description. And uh, see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.